Alright, what is up YouTube? Today I'm going to be welding some aluminum with my AHP Alphatig. I've yet to even turn this machine to AC yet, so I'm going to just see how this goes. Okay, so I think the AC balance might actually be backwards on this machine to most. So I actually have it at about 30 instead of 70. My AC frequency on about 100. And my amps are 88. Since these are only test pieces, I'm going to just use a wire wheel to brighten them up and clean them up some. Now for fill rod here, you probably can't see that, but I'm going to be using some ER 4043. Alright, so here I'm going to be doing just your basic 90-degree T style weld. I've just got this clamp on there so I can tack it in a few places. This doesn't need to be a perfect right angle because it's just a test piece. Alright, so here we go. It's not a pretty tack at all. A little better. Alright, let's see if we can throw a bead on this backside. Well, that's not exactly pretty, but it's also not the worst bead I've ever seen. Let's just clean that up a little bit and see what it looks like. Certainly not great, but I'm still pretty new to aluminum, so I'm gonna flip it around and see if I can weld up the other side. Oh, where am I burning? Oh, I'm burning the handle in this thing. Oh. Woo! Alright, well that looks a little better. I tried to pulse with my foot a little, got a little big there, but that's okay. Alright, last one. So that was pretty fun. It's definitely going to take a little getting used to this machine compared to the Lincolns that I've used in the past for aluminum and that I've been learning on. But overall, I think this works really well. As of right now, I prefer the Lincoln just because that's what I've used the most. This was my first time even using this machine on AC, so I think once I get the settings a little more figured out, I'll probably enjoy using this one just as much, if not more, similar to steel. I've had great luck with steel with this machine. Overall, I'm still real pleased with the AHP. I think it's a great machine. It's really inexpensive for the capabilities that it has. I want to give a quick shout out to my buddy Gunnar who donated the aluminum for this episode. So thanks a lot, man. That's really cool. And if you enjoyed the video and you want to like and subscribe, that'd be awesome too. As always, thanks for watching. I'll have a new video up next week.